That is the wild card. I mean, you can already see, some of the bigger global exchanges like NYSE taking their technology arm and starting to install it in Asia. You can see joint ventures around the ASEAN PAC. You can see major upgrades in the performance of the technology, whether it's Singapore, Australia, or recently in Tokyo. You can see the NSE and the BSE competing head-to-head in India. I think what you will see is an arms race for speed. You will see a embrace of quantitative and high-frequency trading. I think people are now warming up to the fact that they can be liquidity providers, that they're market makers. In the old day of the NYSE, you had specialists. That's not very much different from a market maker that's doing it electronically. I do think there will be some consolidation in joint ventures that will just make the economics easier. On the back end, we've seen revolutions in particularly around MiFID in Europe. I would hope to see something similar in Asia. As everyone is well aware that's operated out here, the exchanges have a kind of unique client base. It tends to be more retail oriented, and it tends to be more nationalistic in its outlook. But I think as Asia starts to become much more of a financial center, and clearly the financial firms are moving here for good reason, that will take on a certain life of its own in terms of pushing to get a common back end. And I think that'll be the real key, getting settlement in a central clearing party so that you can trade across markets.